Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 23 of building the Batmobile, the Tumbler. In this issue, we're going to be starting another seat because sometimes bats have passengers and they need somewhere to sit as well. Looking at physical models versus computer graphics, a combination of the two is generally the best way of doing it. I'm sure throughout the films they did all of that. That's got to be the next page. There we go. Yeah, combination of how to do bits from both, getting rid of things, adding things in. The lasting legacy of the Batman TV series, Batman 66. Yeah, there we go. Started it all. Well, I don't know if it started it all, but it certainly was a legacy. Yeah, there we go. So yes, we're starting on the passenger seat. Not very much to do. There's only like 5 pieces in this. Some of which are just pushed together, some of which are screwed together. So I will get that done, and then we'll be able to move on to next time when we're doing some more of the seat. So let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get this built. Yes, there we go. We'll put that down there out of the way. Right, yes, the parts we've got today are the start of the other seat with the sides and the brackets and some screws, of which we're only going to use a couple. These brackets go in place like so. Goes on there, covers over there. These pieces just push in place. It all lines up. Right way round. Line up around there as well. Does that not feel like that's lining up around there? That's because there's a peg to get in the right place on that side. Out there. There you go. So that snaps together. Cool. And then we have these to put in place. We'll need 1 screw per each side of that. Let's get 2 of those out. I do like the recycling bags. I've mentioned this before. It's also easier to get things out of them than it is when you're doing it another way with the plastic bags that often don't open or seal very well. Right, so these ones go on there. This one on this side and the other one on the other side, obviously. They are at an angle, but it doesn't seem to be keyed into any particular angle. That feels like that will go in virtually any position. Yeah, there's nothing on there to say it should be one way or the other. So that can obviously be angled a little bit, probably when we get the other bit in. I don't remember doing the first seat, Batman seat. I know it had these bits, but I don't remember much about them as to how it worked and how they were angled and things. But there you go. That's how it works. That's how it goes together. Get that tightened up in there as well. So yeah, so far so good. So it's tightened up as well. We'll leave it at a bit of an angle like it's got it in the picture, but I'm sure next time when we'll be adding more to it, it will make more sense. And see, they're actually much further back in that. They're almost horizontal in that picture. So I'll leave them like that. And that's that. Another issue done. Join me for the next one in a couple of days. Thankfully, it's come to getting there. I like doing individual bits, but I do like it when they come together. So I'm pretty sure a couple more issues of building the seat, and then we'll get to install it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.
Yeah.